Break your challenge into smaller, manageable tasks. 2. Stay positive and maintain a growth mindset. 3. Seek guidance from mentors or experts. 4. Learn from what goes wrong. It's a good thing. 5. Be clear about goals. Know exactly what you want to achieve. 6. Rest when needed. Take short breaks to keep your energy up. 7. Lean on friends. Have supportive friends and family around you. 8. Stay calm and strong. Use mindfulness to handle stress and stay tough. 9. Celebrate small wins. Even little victories are worth cheering for. 10. Learn from errors. Look back at your mistakes to get better. 11. Don't give up, no matter how hard it gets. 12. Stories of others who succeeded can inspire you. 13. Make the most of your time to get things done. 14. Understand that facing difficulties is part of life. 15. Keep a journal to track how you're doing. 16. Think outside the box. Be open to new ideas and ways to solve problems. 17. Being organized can help reduce stress. 18. Stay positive. Try to think happy thoughts and avoid negative ones. 19. Eat well and exercise to stay strong. 20. Don't be afraid to do things you haven't done before. 21. Surround yourself with good people. 22. When people give you advice, listen and learn. 23. Look at your problem in different ways. 24. Solve problems. Get good at figuring things out. 25. Sometimes change can make you better. 26. Be flexible. Be ready to change your plans if needed. 27. Don't get frustrated if things take time. 28. Sometimes a smile can make things feel better. 29. Say positive things to yourself. 30. Find what makes you happy and use it as motivation. 31. Use the internet to find help and advice. 32. Get rid of things that hold you back. 33. Be careful with your money to reduce stress. 34. Don't be afraid to say no when you should. 35. Sometimes it's good to try new things